Welcome to this essential guide on understanding the psychological forces that drive cryptocurrency markets. Today, we'll explore two powerful emotions that influence every trader's decisions: FOMO and FUD. These emotional drivers can make or break your trading success, and understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. By the end of this presentation, you'll know how to recognize these emotions in yourself and develop strategies to make better, more rational trading decisions. Let's start with FOMO, which stands for fear of missing out. This is the anxiety that drives traders to make impulsive decisions based on the fear of missing potential profits. When you see a cryptocurrency's price skyrocketing and everyone seems to be making money except you, that uncomfortable feeling in your gut is FOMO. It creates a sense of urgency that can override your rational thinking and push you to act without proper analysis. FOMO is one of the most common psychological traps in crypto trading, especially for beginners. FOMO doesn't appear out of nowhere. There are specific triggers that activate this emotional response. First, rapid price surges create urgency to buy as traders rush not to miss out on further gains. Second, social media hype and viral trends amplify the fear of being left behind as you see posts flooding your feed about a particular coin. Third, seeing others profit from their investments makes you feel like you're missing an opportunity. And fourth, limited-time opportunities and exclusivity messaging deliberately create artificial scarcity to trigger impulsive decisions. Recognizing these triggers is the first step to controlling your response. Now let's talk about FUD, which stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD refers to negative information or misinformation spread to influence market sentiment and trigger panic selling. Unlike FOMO, which pushes you to buy, FUD pushes you to sell out of fear. It can come from legitimate concerns about regulations or security, or it can be deliberately spread rumors designed to manipulate prices. The effect is the same. It creates doubt in your mind about your investment and can cause you to make hasty decisions to exit your positions. FUD can originate from several sources. Negative news headlines and rumors spread quickly in the crypto space, often without verification. Regulatory uncertainty and government crackdowns create fear about the future legality of cryptocurrencies. Security breaches and exchange hacks undermine confidence in the safety of digital assets. And market crashes and sharp downturns naturally trigger fear and uncertainty among traders. While some FUD is based on real concerns, much of it is exaggerated or even fabricated. Learning to distinguish between legitimate warnings and manipulative FUD is a critical skill for successful trading. FOMO and FUD work together in a continuous cycle that drives market volatility. When prices rise, FOMO kicks in and traders rush to buy, further pushing prices up. This creates a euphoric phase where everyone feels like a genius. But eventually, the momentum slows and FUD enters the picture. Negative news or profit-taking triggers fear, and prices begin to drop. This causes traders to panic sell, driving prices even lower. Then, after the dust settles, the cycle repeats. Understanding this cycle helps you recognize where the market is in its emotional journey and avoid getting caught up in the extremes. The consequences of FOMO and FUD on trading decisions can be severe. FOMO leads traders to buy at market peaks when prices are already inflated and due for a correction. FUD drives traders to sell at market bottoms, locking in losses just before a recovery. Both emotions cause traders to abandon their carefully planned strategies and discipline. Most importantly, when you trade based on emotions rather than analysis, you're essentially gambling rather than investing. Your decisions become reactive instead of strategic, which significantly reduces your chances of long-term success in the crypto market. How do you know if you're trading emotionally? There are clear warning signs to watch for. If you find yourself making rushed, impulsive decisions without following your trading plan, that's a red flag. Obsessively checking prices and news throughout the day indicates anxiety-driven behavior. Feeling anxiety or regret after trades suggests you're not confident in your decision-making process. And chasing losses or wins irrationally means you've let emotions take control. Recognizing these signs in yourself is crucial because you can't fix a problem you don't acknowledge. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional discipline. Fortunately, there are proven strategies to combat FOMO and FUD. First, create a trading plan that defines your entry and exit criteria and commit to following it regardless of market emotions. Second, conduct thorough research before investing so your decisions are based on fundamentals, not hype. Third, set stop-loss and take-profit levels in advance to automate your risk management and remove emotion from the equation. And fourth, take regular breaks from market monitoring to maintain perspective and avoid getting consumed by short-term price movements. These strategies create a buffer between your emotions and your trading actions. Building lasting emotional discipline requires establishing strong foundational principles. Define clear entry and exit criteria based on technical or fundamental analysis, not gut feelings. Use proper position sizing and risk management to ensure no single trade can devastate your portfolio. Focus on data and fundamentals rather than opinions and predictions from social media. And practice patience and mindfulness, understanding that successful trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, the most successful traders aren't the ones who never feel FOMO or FUD. They're the ones who recognize these emotions and have systems in place to prevent them from controlling their decisions. Mastering your psychology is just as important as mastering market analysis.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.